Should I prioritize savings over spending? What should I do to control my personal finances? In order to get more clarity on the savings part, we have our investment expert Manish with us. Manish, could you please elaborate on this?
So 50% you can dedicate to your household expenses. Let's say it's grocery, buying vegetables, paying it to your maid, or your cable bills, your car for your drivers, etc. That's 50% you can give for your household expenses. 30% is where we call a person should enjoy his life also. So 30% is something which you can keep it aside on a yearly basis for, let's say, you want to plan a holiday, please go for that. You want to do a shopping, you can do that. But at least 20% keep it aside for savings. Normally, the mistake what people do is on a month-on-month basis is that they do the household expense, they do all the expenses what they want, they go to restaurant, have food and all, and whatever is left, they invest. That's what people do a mistake. So there are months when it's only 5% is what they save. There are months when they save 10%. There are months when they may save 15%. You cannot be so volatile, or you cannot be in that manner. So you need to have a figure which you will say that first thing is that 20% or 30% I'm going to save month on month. That's given. I'm not going to change. 20-30% is saved. After that, only I'll calculate for expenses like household expenses, or whether I want to go for a expensive restaurant. So imagine in a particular month when the household expenses is too big, that month don't go for a restaurant, fine dining. Reduce that expenses and move that money to savings. Savings is something which you should not negotiate. It's a non-negotiable thing in your overall investment. If you have a 20%, 30% mark, keep that. So that 50, 30, 20 is a basic thumb rule to ensure that that amount you are saving. It can depend on person to person.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.